In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view asset in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to see all your asset accounts in one place and how to narrow that view by a specific date range so the numbers match the period you care about. Once you're in your Freshbooks account, look to the left-hand sidebar. That navigation menu is your starting point. Click Accounting. This section houses the core records that power your financial reports, so it's the right place to review the accounts behind your balances. Inside Accounting, choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of categories your transactions post to. Assets are one of those major categories alongside liabilities, equity, income, and expenses. We're going to focus on assets, which typically include things like cash and bank accounts, accounts receivable, prepaid items, equipment, and other resources your business owns. At the top of the chart of accounts page, find the drop-down or selector next to all accounts. Change that view to asset. As soon as you switch to asset, the list will refresh to show only your asset accounts. You should now see the asset accounts relevant to your business, along with details like account names and their balances. This filtered view is helpful for quickly confirming what you own and the value recorded in your books at a glance. If the list is long or you're preparing a report for a certain period, use the filters control on this page. Open filters and look for the date range option. Pick the date range that matches the period you want to review, such as this month, last quarter, year to date, or set a custom start and end date for a specific project or reporting window. Setting a precise date range ensures the balances you see align with the time frame you're analyzing, which is especially important when reconciling or preparing financial statements. After selecting your date range, click Apply. The page will update to reflect the filters you set, giving you a clean, time-bound snapshot of your asset accounts. If you need to broaden your view again, you can return to all accounts or clear the filters to see everything. A quick tip: if something looks off, like an account missing from the asset view or balances that don't match expectations, verify that you're still filtered to asset and that the date range is correct. Also remember that user permissions can affect what you see in accounting. That's it. You navigated to accounting, opened the chart of accounts, filtered to asset, and applied a date range to refine the results. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you follow along in your own FreshBooks account.